Hello, welcome to Cooking with Copeland. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make mini corn dogs, great for any party or event. You only need a couple of things for this recipe. 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, 2 cups tempura flour, a mixing bowl and a whisk, 2 cooked hot dogs or 4 or however many ever you want to make, and some wooden skewers. So to get this started, we're going to go ahead and cut our hot dogs in half. I like to keep them like that just because it makes it easier for cooking. It's a lot easier and a lot more fun to serve. The next step is we're going to go ahead and insert those skewers from the flat end of the hot dog and stop roughly about 25% up to the top because you want to make sure it's a nice snug fit. Reason being because we're going to have these in oil, we're going to hold them by the skewers. So obviously if it's loose, it's going to slide right off and you do not want that to happen. So after we finish doing this, we're going to go ahead and make our tempura batter, or our corn dog batter rather. So all our hot dogs are skewered. Let's move on to the next step. Go ahead and grab your bowl and crack the egg right into your bowl. Now if you crack that into there, go ahead and add all of your milk. Now we're going to whisk this vigorously until we get a nice frothy looking like concoction. The reason you do this is because the eggs and the milk combine together and they make a nice liaison for the tempura to come in. So it makes everything hold together basically. It's an emulsifier. See how frothy that is? Let's go ahead and grab our tempura mix and pour that all on in there. Yep, let's get it all in there. Now you're going to mix vigorously. The end result should be like a pasty consistency. Also, you can add a cup of sugar if you want more of a carnival tasting corn dog. But make sure if you add sugar, whisk it nicely because it will be grainy. So the end result should look something like this. Now we can head these over to the fryer and get ready to fry them. Now, when frying these, make sure you completely cover the hot dog in tempura mix. Because if you don't, you'll have a burned hot dog in the cooked side, and you just don't want that. You want a nice golden brown finish. If you can't get the mix on there, use your hand or a spoon to scoop all of the tempura around the hot dog. But the key here is coverage. Now, when frying, you want to keep it moving because you want a nice, cool, golden brown looking corn dog. See that? Just keep it moving and keep it moving. And just keep repeating that until you have all your corn dogs done. Before you know it, you'll see it start to poof up. It look really nice. See that golden brown color? Yeah, that looks nice. Check that out. Alright, so now that we're done frying, let's check them out. Looks nice, huh? I like to take my skewers out. You can leave yours in, but I think it looks a lot better. Check that out. Yep. And there you have it. How to make mini corn dogs right at home.